Find or read reviews that people are talking about Monster Open-Ear AC221 headphones, Bluetooth 6.0 wireless earbuds stereo sound. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Clip-on design with pure Monster sound. Monster open-ear headphones offer a supremely comfortable fit with the clip-on design, ensuring a secure fit that remains steadfast even during active use. Combined with Monster premium sound performance, they produce crisp and engaging audio, immersive bass, ensuring each listening experience is pleasant and smooth. Lightweight comfort, all-day wear. Weighing just 4 grams, Monster's open-ear earbuds redefine the standard for comfortable audio device wear. Unlike traditional Bluetooth headphones that press against ears or squeeze head, the open earbuds naturally fit your ears with a feather-light touch. Whether you're working, exercising, or relaxing, they stay comfortable for hours on end. Bluetooth 6.0 seamless connection. Monster wireless earbuds designed for users who demand the highest standards, it provides faster pairing, wider range, lower latency, and stronger anti-interference performance. Whether you're making calls, streaming music, or switching between devices, forget about signal drops or audio lag. The connection is instant and intelligent. Clear calls and 30 hours long playtime. Monster Bluetooth earbuds deliver exceptional call clarity, so you're always heard clearly. With an industry-leading battery life of up to 8 hours on a single charge, and an additional 30 hours from the compact charging case, power is the last thing you'll worry about. Morning workouts, back-to-back meetings, evening relaxation, the earbuds stay with you all day without letting you down. With an IPX6 waterproof rating, the Monster open-ear earbuds are engineered to withstand heavy sweat and intense rain, making them the perfect companion for workouts, runs, and outdoor adventures. No need to worry about weather or exertion, Monster earbuds are built to endure. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.